Why did the big mountain suddenly get angry and make everything go boom? Well, imagine if your toy box got so full it couldn't hold any more toys. The mountain was like that, but with hot stuff inside. One day, it couldn't hold it anymore and went kaboom. The hot stuff came out and covered everything like a big, warm blanket. But here's the twist. Some people thought it was a giant dragon sneezing. So next time you see a mountain, remember it might just be a sleepy dragon. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun stories.